you have sold like different products and the sale value is different, sale price is different, revenue is different, quantity is different, and you can see the total also. The sum is revenue is coming like 180, unit sold 2340, average is coming different, but you want to know the how much number of unit you have sold. So simply you can do it. You can select the number of unit and you can see the count is coming 7, and you can use also the count formula and you can select your units and that is coming 7. So this is how you can get it, like you have sold total 7 products, out of that you made 180 and the total unit you have sold 2340.